this is Chris Roshna, 24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up. Today we're taking a look at and unboxing the Aukey Bluetooth wireless headphones. It comes with Qualcomm aptX technology. They're Bluetooth and high-res audio. So going inside the box, you'll see a new type of Aukey logo, which we like very much. And here are the headphones. They're Bluetooth, they're connected, and it says they claim up to 8-hour battery life, which we'll find out in testing. So here we are. You get some user manual information here, and a warranty card, and a quick start guide. But as you can see, they're wired connected. They even come with a USB Type-C to USB Type-A cord for charging. Right there. And then this is the little case. It feels like foam and a rubber. Possibly both materials, but we like that, and that just fits in neatly right there. Then you have different size ear gels. There's 6 different kinds right there. And volume up and down along with microphone. So they claim up to 8 hours of battery use. And this is model number EP-B80. So if you're looking for these online, EP-B80, and they're the wireless Bluetooth Aukey headphones with a rate of 8 hours of battery life. So we'll have to check that out. But it comes with Qualcomm aptX technology. Thank you.